Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mom's Magic Meals. Today we are going to cook Mexican wrap with hunker dip. So let's see what ingredients do we need. This is puree of 3 large size tomatoes. Here I took 1 cup of rajma, soaked it for 4 to 5 hours. Then I added a little salt in the rajma and gave 4 to 5 whistles. 1 cup of chopped zucchini, 1.5 cup of chopped bell peppers, 1 cup of chopped and boiled baby corn, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon grated processed cheese and half tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, sugar, salt to taste, 1 cup hunkered, half cup mayonnaise and fresh cream. Now add the black pepper powder in the hunkered, oregano, chili flakes, a pinch of sugar and a pinch of salt. Add the mayonnaise, and half teaspoon of fresh cream. Now mix it well. After mixing it, refrigerate the hunkered for some time. Now heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Then add the bell peppers, the chopped zucchini and the boiled baby corn and saute it well, but don't overcook them. They should remain a little crunchy. Now add salt to taste and mix it well. Cook the veggies for a minute on a slow flame. Now add the boiled rajma and mix it well. While mixing it, mash the rajma with your spatula. Cook it on a medium flame. After they are cooked, remove them in a bowl. Now heat a pan and add the tomato puree in it. Then add the tomato ketchup, one teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste and sugar, and mix it well. Stir it continuously on a medium flame. Now add a little water in the corn flour and make a corn flour slurry. Slowly and gradually add 1 spoon to the puree. Mix it well. Stir it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. After it thickens up and it boils, add a little Tabasco. After it boils, add the sautéed veggies and mix it properly. Cook it on a medium flame and give it a boil. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Here the veggies have been sautéed and ready. These are the tortillas which I have made from wheat flour and maida. Now take a single tortilla and fill it with the veggies in between. Don't fill it too much, otherwise the tortillas will tear. Now top it with grated cheese. Now fold the tortillas from both the sides. Now heat a grill pan and grease it with some oil. If you do not have a grill pan, you can take normal pans too. Now cook these wraps in the pan on a medium flame. Place them diagonally. Cook it for 2 minutes. Now grease some oil on top of the wraps. After they have been cooked from the bottom, flip the wraps to the other side and cook it for 1 or 2 minutes. Here the Mexican wraps are ready. You can serve it with chilled hung curd. If you have enjoyed cooking with me, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Mom's Magic Meals.